Welcome everyone to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm Lorraine and it is paper pumpkin time. It is the June 2022 pick of the crop paper pumpkin kit. So let's open it up and see what's inside. We'll take our tissue out and we've got our instructions for the different cards that we can make. So they're all in full color. We've got a measure down the side in case we need it. And then on the back, we've got an overall that shows everything that we need for the projects. And on the back, we've got some alternate projects. And the colors are Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Night of Navy, and Soft Succulent. And then we've got a Ready to Win. This month, we're giving you, our loyal Paper Pumpkin subscribers, the chance to win a free Paper Pumpkin kit. Learn more about subscriber perks and uncover a few surprises about next month's kit. Your chance is just one click away, so you can scan to play. And this kit comes with a mini canvas bag. And if you want to order more of them, you can scan the QR code to order more of those bags. So we've got our little cotton bag. These are the stamps. Thinking of you, love you a whole bunch. You're the pick of the crop. You are the sweetest. We've got hello, strawberry, some berries there, scatter dots, which look like strawberry seeds just about, and a nice kind of garland piece. So we've got our stamps, we've got our dimensionals, we have our adhesive dots, some linen thread, a Calypso Coral stamp and spot, and what else do we have here? We have envelopes. Aren't these cute with the lining in them? And space to write on the front. So we have that. And we have some die cuts. We've got blueberries and strawberries, and some cheese and some banners. This looks like a plant pick. And here we've got some cards. Look at that card front. Isn't that cute? Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this one. That is really nice. And then we've got the stripy one with the almost like a picnic tablecloth on it. And then we've got, looks like lavender sprigs and a market cart. And let's just pop all of these out. And then we've got these loaves of bread and strawberries and blueberries. And we've got some really neat vellum. They're like picks and little bags. It's cut to look like a bag. It's not an actual bag. So that is what is inside the June 2022 Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin Kit. That's going to be a tongue twister. So I can't wait to do a project with these little bags. How awesome are they? So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the first project using the Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin Kit.